How to change pickup location in Uber. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change pickup location in Uber. For this, you want to download and install the Uber app on your device. If you don't have this application, simply head over to Play Store or App Store and then download and install this. Now, tap open the Uber app. The first thing you want to do is sign into your account. If you do not have an account, you can simply create one. Now over here, your pickup point should appear by default if you have enabled the location option. Now, if you want to change your default pickup location, all you want to do is tap on this search bar. Now you want to erase your default pickup point, then tap on the enter pickup location option. Now you want to enter your pickup location from here. You will get different suggestions here as well. You can tap on that. Now, the next thing you want to do is tap on the where to option and enter your destination. If you want to add stops, tap on this plus icon. Then from here, you will be able to add these stops as well. If you do not want that, tap on the where to option. Now simply enter your destination. Once that is done, you will get different options over here. Select whichever it is that you prefer. Then tap on the add payment option and then select your payment method. Then tap on the choose option below, and in this way you will be able to change your pickup location in Uber. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.